Good day, everyone. My name is Judith Francis Ayan Manli, and I am the one who discuss using cell phone in the classroom. Martin Marty Cook, born December 26, 1928. He is widely regarded as a father of cellular phone. He built the first mobile cell phone and made the first cell phone call. Cell phone. From the definition itself, cell phones are fast becoming an integral part of students' everyday life. They are regarded as important companion and tools for personal expression. Involving technologies such as cell phones that are held with a high value to students into teaching and learning cannot help but motivate students. Thus, utilizing the cell phone as a teaching and learning tools should increase the desire of students to become fully involved in their education. And here is the advantage of using cell phone in the classroom. The first one is the learning aids, memory aids, calendar, recording lecture with voice memo and other third party, store emergency contacts information. Learning aids. Smartphones have programs that are similar to what is found in laptop or desktop computer. Being able to quickly look up facts on the internet is possible on many phones. Memory aids. Today, most of the cell phones have a camera, so they can use it to take picture. Picture can also be useful for any sort of step-by-step process, so that they can later review the photos to better understanding. Calendar. Every mobile phone have a calendar function, and this can be very useful for kids who have a hard time remembering test dates, assignments, due dates, and other such details where time is of the essence. Recording lectures with voice memo and other third party. Cell phone can be beneficial to students who would like a quick way to keep track of what they need to do. After all, students may not always have immediate access to a notepad, so using a cell phone to jot down information can be helpful. Store emergency contact information. Important phone number can be easily stored in cell phones. For students, this can be important in case they become sick while at school or are in the emergency situation. And this is the disadvantage of using cell phone in the classroom. Never-ending interruption, bottomless money pit, distraction, bullying, cheating, negative impact on personal contact, health effects. First one is never-ending interruption. Not only can cell phone cause distraction for individual student in class, but they can also interrupt the entire class. Our ringing, beeping, or buzzing cell phone can disrupt a test, lecture, or study period. The second one is the bottomless money pit. Perhaps one of the disadvantages of mobile phone is the very fact that we are so fascinated with them. Let's face it, cell phone can be very expensive hobby, especially if they are upgraded more often than every 2 or 3 years. Distraction. The most obvious reason is that cell phone will be distracted for students, whether they are taking selfies or texting in class. Cell phone can be detrimental to a student's ability to pay attention in class. Bullying. Giving student access to cell phones during school opens the door to cyberbullying. With cameras built into most cell phones, photos can snap during the day without other students knowing, and those photos can end up on the internet. Cheating. Putting cell phone and test time together can result in student dishonesty. Cell phone make it very easy for students to share answers, take photos of quizzes or tests, or look up answer online during testing. Some students may take photos of their notes or textbooks in order to reference them during testing. Negative impact on personal contact. The stereotype depicts a teenager at the dinner table, completely disinterested in family time, instead being completely occupied with text messaging and mobile instant messaging. And the last one is the health effect. Although the danger of cell phone have not been officially confirmed or reproved, there is certainly some evidence that points toward tumors caused by dishonest. Among the negative health effects associated with proximity to cell phone towers are DNA damage, sleeplessness, eye cancer, infertility, cardiac problem, and chronic fatigue. And that's all. Thank you.